Yes, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss what are the solutions for exercise 2. So here, our first question is, which of the following figures are simple curves? They're asking that simple curves. So here, our first one, they asked us to stick the given shapes. So simple curve is nothing but, in mathematics, a line is also called as curve. A pen, so what is meant by actual curve is in mathematics, so if you start drawing any line without lifting your pen is called curve. It may be straight line, it may be curved lines, whatever it is, but this is also curve without lifting your drawing. That is also one type of curve. So here the lines simple curve is nothing but it is enclosed with a definite number of lines or definite number of curves with simply without any complications. So here triangle they are forming, simply you can draw this one, that is simple curve. This shape also you can draw simply like this without any complications. First one, second one. In third one we have to make swirl types, that is curl types, complex. This is not simple curve. Then this one, easily you can draw the pentagon. This is what you can say, this is simple curve, and this is not simple curve. Why? Because this is somewhat complicated to draw the shape. Our next question, the following figures which are open and which are closed. A closed means wherever you'll start drawing any shape, there only you have to stop. The initial and final position should be same. So let's take a closed figure is nothing but I'm starting here and drawing like this and closing also here. Starting and ending positions will be same for closed figures. A open is nothing but there is no close for that shape. So what is that is, let's take like this. So it is starting here and it's ending there. So starting and ending positions are both are different. Then that type of curves will be, it may be straight lines, it may be curved lines. That type of two things will be, what is that is. So here open curve. So here open or closed. Yes, it is here starting, it's going like this and it's ending. This is obviously open curve. Our first one is obviously it is a open. Next, this one. So let's take drawing like this. Starting and ending. We cannot say that is closed, we cannot say that is open. Why? Because here it's crossing here. So crossing. So what you can say is it is a crossed curve. This is crossed curve. Next, this is starting. Let's take, I'm starting here and drawing starting and going like this and coming ending. So this one closed curve. So where you'll have starting and ending point, both should be same. That type of curve we can call it as closed curve. Then this one, let's take starting here, starting position. Let's go like this. This is ending. So this is also closed. Closed means it should be enclosed with some region which will have some definite area. Then it is called closed curves. So here let's take starting here, there and going like this. This is starting, this is ending. So what is that curve is? It is a closed or open. It's obviously open curve. Why? Because there is no matching of starting and ending positions for that curve, that is open curve. Next one, they asked us to find the which points are interior and which points are exterior and which points are boundary points. Boundary is nothing but on the curve, which are there in on the curve. So let's take interior points. Interior points are nothing but the points which will be inside of the given region, the points which will be located inside of the given place. That is called interior points. Inside, here in means inside points. So what are the inside points? Point A, then point B, then point E, this one, then I and G. These are the points which are there inside of the given region. Then you can take I like this. For this, I interior points. Then what are the external points? That is the exterior points. So exterior and external both are outside the location, outside the place, outside the region. So here, what are the points which are outside? Here, JD. So J and D, here and here. These 2 points outside of the given region. So here D is there. Then boundary points. Boundary points. So boundary points which are there on the curve. So what points are there? Here K is there. Let's take K, then come like this. F is there. So F, and finally if you go here C. So K, F and C, that points are located on the curve, on the boundary. For that points are called it as boundary points. Next one. Our fourth one is three simple closed figures. So they are asking us to please draw the closed figures by using only straight lines. First one. So by using only straight lines, simple closed figures. So let's draw triangle, that is closed figure. Next one, you can take it as square, rectangle, then parallelogram, something pentagon. You can use like this. You can use straight lines only. Hexagon. These are all closed figures. So we are using only lines. Next one, but straight line and curved lines, both the lines you have to use. So here, let's take straight lines and curved lines. You can draw like this, like it's a tablet. So we can take that also here enclosed with some curve shapes and straight lines. Then, so it's looking like that, one closed figure. Then you can draw like this, like that also you can draw. Then so many figures you can use, like mountains you can draw. Then so you can draw so many shapes like this. Whatever it is, all are closed figures. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.